Hello, Standard 10. Going to teach Chapter 8, the circulatory system, and I think it is part 7 or now what we have discussed, or let me later on I will write the part. We have already discussed about the blood circulatory system, means about the heart we have discussed, about the blood vessel entering the heart and leaving the heart we have discussed, and we were discussing about the valves present in the heart. In detail we were dealing about the valve, and I have told that the use of valve is to stop the backflow of blood in the heart, and 4 valves are there. One is right arterioventricular valve. Right arterioventricular valve. Second is left arterioventricular valve. Third one is semilunar. Third one is left pulmonary semilunar valve. Pulmonary semilunar valve. And fourth one is aortic semilunar valve. Aortic semilunar valve. Okay, so right arterioventricular valve. Location: aperture between the right auricle and ventricle. Location: passage or aperture between the left atrium and ventricle. Atrium and ventricular. So these two we have already discussed. Third one is pulmonary. Pulmonary means related to lungs. Semilunar. Lunar means moon, chand. Semilunar, आधा चांद valve. And aortic semilunar valve. It is also semilunar valve, आधा चांद valve. But aortic means the blood vessel which carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the body. Very clear. So first let us discuss about the pulmonary semilunar valve located at the opening of the right ventricle, and these valves are located to the ventricle, means they are coming out from the ventricle. Pulmonary semilunar valve, it is in the right side and it is in the left side. Okay, let me show by the diagram, then it will be more clear. See here, a rough diagram of human heart I am showing you, and let us discuss about the valve also. See, this will continue as a section, the middle part. Now here, okay, this side, this is number 1, number 2, and number 3, and here number 4. Okay. See this. One number is right arterioventricular valve, means tricuspid valve. One is tricuspid or right arterioventricular valve. 2 number is left arterioventricular valve, or you can say bicuspid. This third number, this is pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. And here this third number valve is the pulmonary semilunar valve, and this fourth one is the aortic semilunar valve. Aortic semilunar valve. These two valves are related to the ventricle. You can see these two valves are related to the ventricle. They are not attached with the auricle. Very clear or not? Auricle receives the blood, whereas ventricle pumps the blood. So these two valves check the flow of blood, backward flow of blood. Means from this, if the blood will go here, it will not come back. Very clear? So these four valves we have understood. Pulmonary semilunar valve. This goes to, this is the right side, contains deoxygenated blood, and it will go to the lung for the oxygenation. Now here, aortic, this one is aorta, and we have discussed that aorta is connected to the left ventricle, which carries oxygenated blood, and it will take oxygenated blood to the whole body. Okay, and here one valve is there attached to the ventricle, the lower two chamber, and this valve is the aortic semilunar valve. So location is important. So it was about the four valves of the body. Now coming to the other topic. Next topic is circulation of blood in the heart. How the blood circulates in our heart. Contraction and relaxation you are knowing. Let me show by a rough diagram. Let it be the heart. 4 chambers are there. Okay, and here passage is there. Tricuspid and bicuspid valve. Now see, if this will contract the upper two chambers are atrium. It will contract. If it will contract, then what will happen? The position will become like this. The volume will be reduced. The pressure will be decreased. As a result, the blood from auricle will go to the ventricle. Very clear? Contraction is called as dilation. Okay. The ventricles at this time, auricle are contracting. This one showing contraction, and this one is showing dilation. Normal position. When this will contract, the blood will go to the ventricle. Now in second, when ventricle will contract, let me change the position. Second time, in human heart, the ventricle, the lower two chambers will contract. Okay, when the lower two chambers will contract, the position will become like this. But this passage is blocked by tricuspid, bicuspid valve. The caudate tendinae is holding, so it will be blocked. And this one is connected here. What will happen? The blood will get clear passage and will come out through the pulmonary semilunar valve and through the aorta, because ventricles are connected. This way, the blood circulates in our heart. Very clear or not? Now, and here the function of caudate tendinae is important. In tricuspid valve, you can see 3 flaps are there, hold by, this one is flap. Okay, this one is caudate tendinae, and caudate tendinae arises from papillary muscle. This one is papillary muscle. From this, the thread caudate tendinae arises. Very clear? And flaps are hold. What will happen when this will contract? Naturally, the blood will try to go back to the auricle, but these are held by the caudate tendinae, and the blood will not return to the auricle. Then here it will get a clear passage, and through this semilunar pulmonary artery and through the aorta, the blood will come out. Very clear. Now coming to the heartbeat. As you know, heartbeat in Hindi Bollywood movie we have been धक धक करने लगा, मेरा दिल धक धक कर रहा है. But in biological term, dear children, don't use this word dhak dhak. What is called in biology? In biology, it is called lub dub. See the spelling and how to write. Always write in capital. So lub, L-U-B-B, and dub. This is the heart sound. You can check. You can put a stethoscope over your chest and you can hear this sound, lub dub. Okay. And how this lub dub is produced, that part is important. Okay. How this lub dub is produced. Now, when lub is produced, when tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve, both, and bicuspid valve is closed. When this tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve means right atrioventricular valve and left atrioventricular valve closed, then the sound lub is produced. Very clear or not? Produced when the atrioventricular valve is closed, sharply at the start of ventricular systole. Next, dub is produced. When the sound dub is produced, the dub sound is produced when the beginning of ventricular diastole, the semilunar valve at the root of aortic and pulmonary artery get closed. Second, this one is produced when semilunar valve, and two types of semilunar valve are here. Semilunar valve. One is aortic semilunar valve and other is pulmonary semilunar valve. When these valves are closed, that time only this sound dub is produced. So very important, the heart sound and how it is produced. Now coming to the next topic, heartbeat. Have you ever checked the timing in 1 minute? How many times your heart beats? Must be between 64 to 72. Have you ever caught a bird in your hand? Try to catch it. You can feel that the heartbeat of a bird is higher than us. Now, when you are a baby, or if you will see a newly born baby, the newly born baby has more heartbeat comparing to us. Now, see, heartbeat of whale per minute is 15 times and elephant 25 times. Means larger the body, lesser will be the heartbeat, and smaller the body, heartbeat will be more. Why? Give reason question. Okay, let us discuss about the reason of this heartbeat, why it is faster in a smaller body and slower in larger body. Vishen, two things are there. The smaller the body, it loses its body heat due to higher surface volume. Loses body heat due to higher surface volume ratio. Surface volume ratio. Try to understand. We lose body heat, and due to that only we don't put on sweater or jacket in winter season. Not to save us from outside cold, not to allow our body heat to go up. Okay, if body heat will not go out, we will feel warm. Okay, so larger the body means more body are in contact with the environment. So slower will be the, and if same how I have explained it, that larger piece of zinc if you are putting in hydrochloric acid and a smaller piece of zinc, where the reaction will be faster in a smaller pieces, because from all sides almost all point of the zinc will be reached by the hydrochloric acid. Very clear. And larger, what will happen? Only the outer surface will come in contact. So larger, the slower will be heartbeat. Next, that is the higher surface volume ratio. Coming to the newly born child. Newly born child, the body is smaller, just to keep it warm. um, more heartbeat is there, more heartbeat because they loses more heat due to surface volume ratio. And not only that, you must have seen the small babies, they are covered by sweater, jackets, blankets. Why? Even in simple winter also they are covered because their body is small and they lose more heat. To save them from the cold, they are covered. Okay, and while a baby is there, then the metabolism rate is higher because growth is taking place faster in their body. Other activities are going faster that require more energy, and how more energy is produced when the heartbeat will be higher, more amount of blood will go to the cell, and from the blood this oxygen and food will combine in the mitochondria. Breakdown of food will be there to release energy. So give reason question, why babies has faster heart rate, or larger the animal, smaller is lower the heartbeat. Very clear or not? So today up to this much. In the next video I will explain the other part. Thank you very much.